So you might be trying to figure out how you can go ahead and fix your screen burn-in that you might be having inside of your particular iPhone. Now, there's a couple ways to do this, but the main way to go ahead and do this is by going through and replacing your display. So if your burn-in is very, very bad on your particular device, you can try reburning the pixels to a white screen or like a different type of thing, but at that point it's probably not worth it. Your best bet is to probably just go through and essentially replace your display. So if you open up a white page of any sort, whatever it can be, if you go and kind of look around it, if you see a bunch of burn and if you see a bunch of stuff like that, like I said, I think the best bet is probably for you to go and just remove, basically replace that display. I think that's the best approach. But if you don't want to do that, or if you want to do something else, another option you can do, which I've done before, is to turn on dark mode on your iPhone. So what this actually ends up doing is that an OLED display is basically, any dark pixel that's on an OLED display, it will go ahead and turn off those pixels. So if you actually go ahead and enable a dark display, so if you go inside of your settings application, click on display and brightness, if you go and just, basically go into dark mode, it will automatically turn off all those pixels and it will go ahead and darken and dim down the display. And if you put on like a dark wallpaper, it will go through and basically it will almost look like you don't even have any burn-in. I know it sounds too good to be true, but I have phones that were severely burnt on, even like my iPhone 10 that had an OLED display. That thing was burned in like crazy. And I put on this particular display, like the dark mode, and it actually ended up looking pretty decent, like very usable, like almost good, almost good as new almost. So those are a few different ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, till then.